सर ये कोत्तगुड़े में एयरपोर्ट वो अभी जरूरत है तेलंगाना में, वो इम्पोर्टेंट है एयरपोर्ट। आप माननीय मंत्री जी को पूछ रहा हूँ कब आ रहे हैं क्या की। और ये मामनूर एयरपोर्ट के बारे में रनवे 3.5 किलोमीटर बनाने के लिए जगह भी है, थोड़ा कंसंट्रेट करना है, उसके बारे में माननीय मंत्री जी को मैं पूछ रहा हूँ।
Sir, regarding the airport development in Telangana, let me just start by saying that, sir, the only airport that was functional in Telangana was the Hyderabad airport. And then back in the day when Honorable Chandrababu Naidu Garu was the Chief Minister of erstwhile Andhra Pradesh, he envisioned to have a much bigger airport and the first greenfield airport of its kind, and that is when Shamshabad airport came into place, and that became the major operational airport for Telangana and the city of Hyderabad. And let us start with the Mamnoor airport, which is in Warangal. Mamnoor airport is one of the oldest airports in the country, sir. It was pre-British era also. There was a very solid operational airport, and until 1983, if I'm not wrong about the date or the year, 1983, there was Vaidut also operating it. And it is with Airport Authority of India, we have approximately 700 acres of land. But the orientation of the area that is available with us only have a length of around 1800 meters, which, like we had a vision that if we want to make the airport operational, we want to have a much bigger runway so that wide body aircraft we can also have international flights. So we have requested the state government that an additional 250 acres is required. I would like to thank the state government also. They have taken it up on a very war footing basis and they have given us the land. Now Airport Authority of India is ready with the planning stage. Procedural due diligence is happening right now, and very soon we want to do the foundation stone, and after that we are seeing a time of 2 years until which the Mamnoor airport is going to be operational. Two other locations that we are actively looking in correspondence with the state government. One is Kottagudem. One site was already identified, and when we went for site clearance, there were a couple of limitations, obstacles. There were two hills on one side of the site that was mentioned. So an alternate site was also proposed, and in the site clearance process for that, some weather data was requested from the state government, where it is still pending. So we are still requesting the state government to send that data. Once that is given, once the feasibility study is properly done, once it looks totally safe for us to operate from that field, then the site clearance will be given for state to take up that project. And the third site that I would also like to mention is the Adilabad airport. Adilabad airport, there was once a defense field there. So we have been consulting the Ministry of Defense also, so that we can start civil aviation operations there. They have also agreed to give in principle approval so that we can have a much bigger airfield there. And now additional land that is required at Adilabad airport, the state has been requested to send the additional land that is required. So once that is there, Adilabad also will be looked into. So likewise, Peddapalli also there seems to be a requirement. So we are exploring the idea of having more airports in Telangana, and it is becoming a reality also. Mamnoor definitely is a reality now, and the other airfields, because like I said, land has to be given by the state government for us to start the project, and the state government has been requested to provide that land. Once the information and the land is provided to us, we will take the projects forward.